In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts to Freeagent. This is a really useful skill if you're trying to keep your bookkeeping tidy, stay on top of your expenses, or get ready for tax time. Having your receipts stored directly in Freeagent means you can quickly match them to transactions and avoid scrambling through paper later. First, open your web browser and log into your Freeagent account on the website. Make sure you're using the official Freeagent login page, and take a moment to confirm you're in the correct business account if you manage more than one. Once you're signed in, give the page a second to fully load so that all the menus and options are visible. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the main drop-down menu. This is where Freeagent keeps a number of useful tools and settings. Click on that menu, and from the options that appear, choose the area labeled Files. This is Freeagent's central place for storing documents, including your receipts. When you open it, you should see any files you've already uploaded, as well as options to add new ones. Now you're ready to upload. On the Files page, click the button that says Select Files. This will open a file browser window on your computer. From here, navigate to the folder where you've saved your receipt. This might be your Downloads folder, your desktop, or a dedicated Receipts folder if you're organized. Freeagent supports common image formats and PDFs, so most receipt photos or scans will work fine. Click on the receipt file you want to upload and then confirm your selection. Once you've done that, Freeagent will start uploading your receipt. Depending on your internet speed and the file size, this usually only takes a moment. After the upload finishes, the file will appear in the list on the Files page. You should see its name and often some basic details like file type and upload date. At this point, your receipt is safely stored in Freeagent and ready to be used. You can now link it to a specific transaction, bill, or expense within the system, helping you keep a clear audit trail. Whenever you review your accounts, those receipts will be there, attached and easy to find. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to the Files area, select your receipt file, and let Freeagent upload it so it's ready to link to your bookkeeping.